Plugins. These are the additional features that you would want to add on your website. By default, WordPress has two plugins already installed, that is Hello Dolly and Akismet Anti-Spam. This comes in handy for handling spam comments on the site. Other plugins can be added from Add New. Search for the plugin that you want. We first want to install a Coming Soon maintenance plugin so that while the website is under development, it is not visible to the audience. Install, activate. From here you can set up whether you want to enable Coming Soon mode or enable maintenance mode. So we'll say Coming Soon mode because we are at the initial stage of setting up the website. From the page settings, you can specify the logo of the site, headline, a message, and you can format the message. Save changes. When you visit the website, you will be able to see the message and the headline that you specified. From here, you can even add an image for the background through Add Media, or you can add a GIF. For that, go to giphy.com, copy the embed code here inside the text option of the text editor, paste the iframe embed code, save changes, go back to the website, and you will be able to see the GIF that you have added to your Coming Soon page. Next, we need to add cookie notice. Add New, and you can select from the available option of plugins. Click on Install Now, activate, and you'll be able to see the details in the settings option cookie notice. Here is the text message that will appear on your website, and you can specify if you want to enable privacy policy link or not. Enable the user to refuse cookies or revoke cookies. If you do not enable these, then it becomes kind of mandatory for the user to click on OK and accept the cookie notice. Similarly, we'll add another important plugin, that is GDPR compliance. Install now, activate. Here you can see all means the number of plugins that I have right now are 5 and active are 5, that is all of the plugins are active within the list. So we will keep on adding plugins as per the requirement as we keep building on our website.